This is Kandy railway station, and we are waiting for our train to go to Nuwara Eliya this afternoon. And just give you a look around the station. This is the platform that our train should arrive on. Lots of people waiting for the train. And here we have the beautiful fish tank. The beautiful fish tank at Kandy railway station. And so we begin the next part of our journey as soon as the train arrives. We'll take some more video on the train. And here comes our train, running about 20 minutes late.
Well, here we are, just about to start on a new train adventure from Kandy to Nuwara Eliya. The only seats we could get were first class, so we'll have to suffer. This is our engine. There's no driver in the train as yet. We'll walk down and have a look at the train in some detail. This is the first class cabin. We walk down the train. To the second class cabin. Here's a man selling some goodies. So there you have it. We've just about walked down the whole length of the train. The third class section is right at the back. We're selling some goodies because the train has no refreshments.
Yes, I am from Sri Lanka, Tushar my name. I am working in the Sri Lanka Railway Department and under the government, and I am selling the Sri Lanka people and foreign people and cool water and submarine, burgers, something food for customer near.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you. Just doing a deal with the vendor.
Yes, this one Sri Lanka Murukku.
Oh, okay,
This one
yeah.
manioc.
Hot mix.
Table dal.
Yep.
Fried gram dal.
Fried gram dal.
You now eating or I will parcel. Wait.
No vades.
I make back.
Yeah, no. You don't sell vades.
Sorry?
Vade? Vade.
Vade, yes, I have.
Where?
I give you vade. Look at this vade.
No, the other one.
This dal vade.
Dal
no.
vade.
No.
Okay.
Okay, enjoy.
Thank you.
Okay.
Well, this is the first class seats. They're quite comfortable. Lots of leg room. There's a footrest, and it's got automatic doors. And we're right in the front of the train. we going there?
I am playing cricket. My classmate, Sri Lanka cricketer,
Oh yeah.
my classmate.
So here we are, leaving Kandy station, heading up into the hills after a few lovely days in Kandy.
We're on the train from Kandy to Nanu Oya, which is the nearest train station to Nuwara Eliya. And we've got our snacks, some tapioca chips and some muruku and some other bits and pieces to eat on the way because it's about a 4-hour journey. Fortunately, we are in an air-conditioned seat, so it's pretty comfortable. And we'll show you some of the sights along the way. So we had hoped to show you some scenes from outside the train, but it is getting a little dark, so there may not be much to see. And if there is anything to see, we probably won't be able to see it. Although there's a big Buddha there. We're steadily climbing up into the hill country where we will eventually going through tea plantations, but we're not there yet, and it's probably going to be dark by the time we get there. So something you might be interested in is on a train that's going for a long time are the toilets. They are in the very noisy section of the train. I'll just give you a look around. There's not one that you can actually sit on, which is good. There's a hand basin with a hose, a little mirror back here. So they're quite okay, and I'm going to give it a go. Well, we are still on the train, and it's about 3.5 hours later, and we're still not in Nanu Oya, which is the railway station closest to Nuwara Eliya. It's getting on for nearly 9 o'clock at night, and we've just looked at the little map here that shows us where the train's going, and for the next hour or so, I think we're still going to be coming along this. What did you say the average speed we've been doing? About 15 kilometres an hour. The train goes quite slow up here because we're in the hills, and it follows the contour lines around the hills in a very convoluted fashion. So it's been a long wobbly journey, and it's night time, so there's nothing to look at, but hopefully we'll be there soon. So just going to give you a look at the map of how this railway train goes, and I'll give you some understanding of why it's taking so long. I'm not sure if you can see that very well, but it looks like a twisted piece of spaghetti. And we've climbed up to nearly 1,500 metres. And so we're in a much more elevated area now, and the train's obviously following around on the contours of the hills. And hopefully we'll be in Nanu Oya soon.